Svalbard is an archipelago island off the coast of Norway. It's an island in the Arctic Ocean, which means it's on top of the world where it really gets cold. There are many native animals who live in the archipelago island of Svalbard. Svalbard reindeer are the only one of its kind species of reindeer in Svalbard. Only reindeer in the mammal group to be eating Arctic grass. Their legs and hooves are well adapted to the colder climate. Vegetation of Svalbard reindeer, what they eat, is called tundra vegetation. They eat a lot of grass and shrubs to store fat in the winter. Their size is small at around 4 feet tall. The Svalbard reindeer's fur changes color with the season. In the winter, their fur is white, and in the summer it is light brown to match up with their environment. The male reindeer is the only one to have antlers. When they travel, it's around 49 miles per hour. Polar bears are known to be excellent swimmers. They are very large bears. They are considered marine mammals since they survive in and around the cold habitat. Polar bear skin is really black and the white fur is just to match up with the snow. They travel by swimming for a few days until they find the right land. Polar bears have a keen sense of smell to get food. Svalbard ptarmigan birds live in Svalbard all year round. They are considered rock birds since they spend mostly their time in the rocks. Svalbard ptarmigans can store fat to keep warm in extreme cold weather. The sounds they communicate with other birds is like coo like a pigeon, whistle, and cluck like a chicken. The Svalbard ptarmigans is mostly vegetation like grass and other vegetation called alpine bistorp, which is a flower plant. The color of the bird is white with black tail feathers. The male bird is the only one with the red comb on their head. They are big and heavy birds. King elder ducks are large birds with bread-shaped plates on side. Of their beak that is orange. It's mostly found on the male ducks. Female ducks have regular black beaks. The male king elder duck are more colorful with green, blue, and orange with patches of black and white feathers. Females are brown and black feathers. They dive in the cold water in order to get their food. The habitat the elder king ducks live in is called barren tundra, which is located high in the Arctic and open ocean water. They are migratory birds, which means they fly in the winter. Bearded seals weigh around 700 pounds. They have no ears. Bearded seals have flippers and a muzzle. The color of their fur the seals come in is red mixed with brown with white spots all over. Bearded seals use their whiskers on their face to feel for the food underwater. In other words, they dive for their food. They communicate from underwater with other seals. Minke whales are considered baleen whales that are small. The color of minke whales are black, purple, and gray. The weight is around 11 tons. The minke whales are great swimmers at the speed of 19 miles per hour. They are migratory travelers. Little auk sea doves are small seabirds and weigh around 150 grams. They dive underwater to get food. They dive deep in the water around 160 feet. Little auk birds are great swimmers. They live in groups called colonies. The color of their feathers on the birds are black on their head and back, white on their chin and underbelly. They are small birds at 190 grams. Puffins live in groups called colonies. In the native habitat, they live in nests within the island of Svalbard. The color of their beaks, the colorful beaks are used to eat food as a tool. And instead of flying in the sky, puffins fly in the water, and they are considered great swimmers. Puffins' beaks change color with the season. They are short sea birds with strong necks and wings. Their feathers are black on their wings and neck and back. White patches on their eyes and white on their belly. Orange duck-like feet. Color of the beaks are orange, black, and yellow stripes, and they have orange eyes. Guillemots is part of the seabird family, the auk birds. They are great divers and the guillemots get their food by diving. While flying, the birds fly around 49 miles per hour. They communicate by making up their own songs and calls. They make their nests with building material that's found within their habitat. Guillemots stay in their original nests all year round. They swim like ducks. They are small birds with black on their head and back. They have black beaks and white bellies, and a patch of white on their wing. Norway whales have spiral shaped horns. They're the only ones found in males on the tip of their heads. The horns are 9 feet long. They migrate in the winter weather. They are great divers, and narwhal skin changes color with age, from a mixture of blue and gray and white as they get older. They are medium-sized whales and around 17 feet tall. Ring seals are small seals of the Arctic. The color of the ring seals are gray and black with circle patterns. In order for them to communicate, they only use sound and body language. They usually live on their own, which means they are solitary. The seals swim and dive in order to get their food. They live mostly on top of the ice.